goosebumps. Viewer beware, you're in for a scare.
We're back, CHS.
Welcome to part 2 of our season 14 premiere.
I'm Sadie, Clarke.
And I'm Emma Kneebone.
Halloween is my favorite time of the year. How about you, Emma?
Something about the spooky chill in the air just gets me hyped for the holidays.
You're so right. Speaking of spooky, what's your favorite Halloween movie?
It's gotta be Girl vs. Monster on Disney. What's yours?
For sure, Nightmare Before Christmas. I heard there's a segment about some of the most popular Halloween movies.
Let's take a look.
There you go.
Wait a minute, this is Alec, not Sam.
Actually, this is for me. Make your own. Nah.
No.
You never told me your name.
Why do you want to know my name?
I want to know who I'm looking at. What's your name?
Why do you want to know my name?
I want to know who I'm looking at.
What did you just say?
Where's your phone so I can track where the phone call came from?
It's in the phone holder.
Wow, that could have changed the whole movie.
Yeah, that was insane. I wonder what the rest of the movie would have looked like.
Things would have probably been different. Anyway, have you ever heard of PEP Club?
No, what is it?
It's a club at our school that organizes school events like homecoming and helps the school do festive things like Spirit Week.
Whoa, let's check it out.
Hi, I'm here with the PEP Club advisors,
I'm Mrs. Pensavalle.
I'm Mrs. Morgan Convery.
and we're going to be asking some questions. So, tell us a little bit about PEP Club.
You want to start?
Sure. All right, so our biggest event is the homecoming dance, which almost the entire school just attended. And that is where we do the coronation of the homecoming royalty. And it's a tradition, we do it every year. And yeah, it's our biggest event, and all the kids seem to love it.
And then we also run Spirit Weeks throughout the year, and we have one next week. So we're going to be talking a little bit more about that in a few minutes. But that's our two main things are Spirit Weeks and homecoming.
What is the PEP Club planning for Halloween week?
So we have a full week of spirit themes. Mrs. Pensavalle, you want to go through it?
Sure. So Monday is sports apparel. Tuesday is twin day. Wednesday is concert t-shirt day. Thursday Halloween, so wear your costume. And Friday is groutfit, a full gray outfit.
And how did you come up with these themes?
So the club actually votes on it. So we have a lot of students in the club, and we have a list. We have a meeting during lunch, and we come up with a whole list of different themes, and then they vote on whatever themes they want to do on different days.
Will you be wearing a costume on Halloween?
Yes.
I'm not sure if I'm wearing it.
To be determined what it is, but yes.
I probably will. I'm just not sure what it is yet.
And finally, what traditions do you guys try to keep up with for Halloween?
Well, we both have kids, so we both take our kids out trick-or-treating. It's sort of, as my kids get a little bit older, it's more embarrassing apparently if I dress up, so I don't know if I'll dress up for them when we go trick-or-treating, but I'm definitely going trick-or-treating with my youngest.
We are also going trick-or-treating. We used to do family costumes when we were younger.
We did that too,
has
yeah.
ended because they want to be their own thing,
right?
Which is great. And I think this year we might split. I don't think they're going to be trick-or-treating together because they each have their own friend group.
Oh.
And we forgot to mention, but PEP Club will probably be giving out a treat on Halloween at the end of the day.
Yes, I dismissal.
I'm hoping everyone dressed up for Spirit Week.
Me too. I know I'm excited to dress up. What are you being this year?
I'm Minnie Mouse. What about you?
I'm a cowgirl, and I know for sure some people are dressing up.
Oh right, the fashion show featuring the soccer teams.
Yes, that happened right here in our own school.
Roll the clip.
Hi, I'm Alec here. I'm a junior.
What kind of costume are you looking for?
I think I want something that we're really, like, what? It's going well.
I'd rate our costume an 8 out of 10.
I was gonna say that too, 8 out of 10.
6.5.
7. 7.5.
Hi, I'm Danny O'Brien, and I'm a senior.
You're playing soccer.
My whole life. I think it's going to go very well. We're looking to make a good states run, I think.
I'd rate it a 9 out of 10.
9.5 out of 10.
An 8.
4.
10.
Hi, my name is Lauren and I'm a senior. Wait, my favorite memory? I need to think.
Bruh.
One of my favorite memories is scoring my first 2 goals on sophomore year Cougar night.
I rate it a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Like a 2. I'll give her a 9.
It's not very good. I give it like a 1.
I'm Owen and I'm a junior. Yeah, I play for Cedar Stars Academy. I would say my favorite game is definitely Cougar Night because we won.
An 8 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
7.5.
1.5.
1.2.
My name is Amanda Thornton and I'm a junior. I'm going to Rutgers to play soccer there thanks to my club team.
Half of me and Donatron, 20 out of 10.
I rate it like a solid 7.
Give it a 3.6.
Give it an 8.15.
I'm Jasper and I'm a senior.
Okay.
My favorite memory was the pasta party at McKenna's house. The favorite goal I've scored was my bicycle kick versus Montville.
Like a 6 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
2.5 out of 10.
Danny, how do you feel about his costume?
I think it's pretty bad. I mean, he's had a tough one this year, to say the least. But the costume, it really just adds to the whole spirit of Frasier this year.
You know, I'm just so embarrassed that I lost and I want revenge.
It definitely looks like the soccer team is going strong.
Sure does. I know more about the soccer team now than I think I ever have.
I know one thing though. They were rocking those costumes, especially that leprechaun.
I've been seeing that hot dog all over school.
Me too. I heard about him walking around and asking people questions.
Personally, if a hot dog asked me something, I would totally answer.
I'm dying to see this.
favorite Halloween memory? Oh, this is a whole night? Okay, sorry. Probably when I got like 4 pounds of candy and then I ate it all and threw it up.
Being for Halloween this year?
I was gonna be Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
All right, President Parker Lee, what is your favorite Halloween costume?
In 3rd grade, I was Jake Paul, and that was just prime, like YouTube, so that was the best costume.
What is your Halloween costume?
A hot dog.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. What is your Halloween costume?
I think it's gonna be Johnny from Hotel Transylvania.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Very, very sad. What about you? Probably like stealing like a bowl of candy. Guys, she stole. What about you? That was mine too. I stole like 3 bowls of candy off of like everyone's box, and then I walked home with like 9 different bowls. Oh my God, we have Steelers right here.
What are you being this year for Halloween? I'm being Soulja Boy and Kyle from South Park.
Soulja Boy on. Hit it. Bye. Thank you. When my brother got caught stealing bowls of candy from people. Probably just stealing candy, like off of someone's like floor. Unbelievable. And what about you? Probably also stealing bowls of candy. We have a whole table of candy robbers right here in the cafeteria in Chatham High School.
Sadie Dittman, what's your Halloween costume?
Ooh, I don't have one yet.
No!
What is your Halloween costume?
I have 2. So the first night I'm being a mermaid, and the second night I'm being the Bad Witch from Wicked musical, like the Good Witch, Bad Witch from, I think it's Wizard of Oz, right?
Give her a round of applause for that. This is the enthusiasm we like to have on the post.
Brand, what is your Halloween costume this year?
My Halloween costume? I'm going as Wally and Eva. I'm Wally.
That's so cute.
What is your favorite Halloween costume?
I was an old man when I was little.
Oh my God, fake old man right here, guys. Sorry.
My favorite Halloween memory would probably be twisting my foot in a ditch in 2nd grade.
What is your favorite Halloween memory?
Probably when I found Mr. Fowler's house.
That's a good one. I like that. Is your favorite Halloween costume?
I would say Eazy-E.
That's a good one. I don't know who it is, but I know it's a good one.
What is your favorite Halloween costume?
I was a grandma once.
For no reason, just cause?
Yeah, just why not?
Grandma, she got to that age in life. She got to that age in life, guys.
Yep. Thanks so much.
What's your favorite Halloween costume?
The one I'm being this year, a sailor.
You're being a sailor?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. And what about you?
It's gotta be the hot dog. Like,
for me?
Yeah, of course.
This is the man right here, guys.
That's fire.
What is your Halloween costume?
We're being a duo, and I'm a minion. And I'm Gru.
Ah, okay. And what is your Halloween costume?
A vampire.
Okay. And what is your Halloween costume?
I'm gonna be a princess.
Oh my gosh. Amazing.
Personally, I think my favorite part was the Soulja Boy dance.
Mine was when the cape flew in the wind.
I can't believe the amount of people that have stolen candy before. Who would have thought?
Some people would do anything for a king-size candy bar.
They sure would.
Well, that's all for this episode, folks.
Thanks so much for tuning in into our Season 14 premiere Part 2.
See you next Wednesday for Episode 3.